Meaning of Fred Zinnemann.
Fred Zinnemann.
Fred Zinnemann.
Fred Zinnemann.
Fred Zinnemann. Fred Zinnemann was an Austrian-American film director who was best known for his work in the mid-20th century. He was highly regarded for his ability to craft emotionally resonant and socially relevant films, often with a strong focus on character development. His most famous works include From Here to Eternity, High Noon, and A Man for All Seasons. Overall, Fred Zinnemann's legacy lies in his contributions to the art of filmmaking and his ability to inspire audiences with his powerful stories.